Dalia with Dalia's Dishes and Destinations.
And I am Enrique.
Today we're going to go back in time when you were in school, when you were eating your school lunches, when they actually made food homemade, not from a can. We're going to make Manwich, or what I used to call it, Sloppy Joes. What'd you call it?
I've always called them Sloppy Joes, and at my house, unfortunately, we never made it from scratch. It was always from the can. So I'm going to make it from the can today, and she's going to make it from scratch.
At schools back in the time, they used to make all the food homemade. My mom worked in the schools for 30 years, and she remembers the time when everything was made from scratch. Unfortunately, those times are gone. Everything's frozen, preservatives, and everything else. But we're going to do a taste test and see which one tastes better.
But I do believe that hers, this time I'm going to have to say that hers is probably going to taste better. But I was raised on this, and at that time I thought it was delicious. But I'm sure that a homemade Sloppy Joe is going to taste a little better than a canned one. So we'll see.
We have our ground beef. Like I said, I've got all my seasonings, and he's got his. And we're going to...
What do we have? 1 pound of meat?
1.5 pounds of ground beef each. And we're going to put the taste test to the test. Let's copycat our Manwich recipes.
And remember, if you like this video, remember to hit like, subscribe, and share. And always remember, no matter what, if you
feed them, they will come. Our sloppy joes are done. And now we're gonna have a taste test.
Hers and mine. Remember, mine's from the can and hers is homemade. So I'm gonna taste mine first.
Well, I already know mine's better.
Well, I'm gonna taste it.
Mine's better. Be honest.
Hers tastes a lot better.
Ain't got no flavor.
From the can.
Ain't got no flavor, guys.
For one from the can, I'm not gonna be as mean as she is about it. The one from the can is not that bad. It's what I grew up on, and it's okay.
Tastes like pure ketchup.
But this one tastes so much better because this one here you can't really taste so much of the ingredients of the seasoning in it like you can in that one.
Ketchup. That's what it tastes like.
It tastes more like ketchup, yes.
Mine's better.
But before this, I really didn't have a whole lot to compare it to. Now that I do, hers is better. So if you're gonna make sloppy joes, if you want to take a little bit more time and make it homemade,
it's not that hard. Look, you can buy frozen onions and peppers in the frozen food section. You can buy fresh diced onions in the produce section. It does not take that long to have flavor in your food.
And it'll be worth it.
It's a lot better. Not a little, a lot better.
But I was raised on it. It's still edible, but not as good as that. And always remember that hit like, hit subscribe, share, and remember, it's all about the food.